and footrest. Window shades should be up. And please keep your shoes on. Fasten your seatbelt and tighten it. To release it, lift this catch. Seatbelts should remain fastened whenever seated. When the fasten seatbelt sign is switched on, infants should be lifted from the bassinet and held in arms with the infant seatbelt fastened. In case of depressurization, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above. Pull one mask downwards and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap over your head and tighten it by pulling the ends of the straps. The oxygen supply is now regulated, and it is normal that the oxygen bag may not fully inflate. Remain calm and breathe normally.
I prefer the engine.
If you are traveling with a child, attend to yourself first, then the child.
In case of an emergency landing, put your seat upright. Fasten your seatbelt and place your feet flat on the floor. Lean forward as far as possible and lock your arms in position. And now the use of your life vest. Your life vest is under your seat or under the armrest. Remove its plastic cover when prompted to do so. Slip the life vest over your head. Bring the waist straps around your waist. Connect the clip and tighten the strap by pulling it outwards. You should inflate your life vest only when you're about to leave through the emergency exit. Pull the red tabs firmly downwards. To inflate it further, blow into the mouthpieces. Use your whistle and light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. Take note of the exit locations on this aircraft. During evacuation, do not take your personal belongings with you.
If smoke is present, keep low and follow the escape path lighting to the nearest exit. Emergency exits are fitted with slides which can be used for land evacuation or as rafts on water. Remove any high-heeled shoes prior to using the evacuation slide.
Passengers seated beside the emergency exit doors may be called upon to assist the cabin crew. Please refer to the safety information card for details. This card also has details of the use of the life vest and oxygen mask, as well as the location of emergency exits and evacuation routes.
Smoking is not allowed on board all our flights. Smoking in the lavatory will set off the smoke alarm.
Thank you for your attention.
And have a pleasant flight.